Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we learned about derived equation for area of a parallelogram and area of a triangle. So what is the equation for area of parallelogram? So area of parallelogram that is height multiplied corresponding base. Okay. And what is the equation for area of a triangle? You need to remember this two equation, 1 by 2 height multiplied base. I already explained that whenever you consider the height, you need to take the corresponding base that make a right angle with height. For example, if we consider this parallelogram, then there are four possible heights. We can draw height like this. We can consider this height also. We can consider this height also. If we consider this height h1, then this one will be base. If we consider this height as a h2, then this will be your base. Okay. If we draw a triangle, if it is an acute angle triangle, then height will be this one and base will be this one. If you consider obtuse angle triangle, then your height will be outside the triangle, that is h2, and base will be this one. And if you consider right angle triangle, then this will be your h1 and this will be h3 and this will be your base. Means if you consider acute angle, then this will be your height and this is your base, that is making a right angle. You can consider this height and this as a base. You can consider this height and this one as a base. Clear? It is also possible that this line making a right angle, so this will be your base. So there are three possible ways to draw height, because we know that in a triangle we can draw three altitude. Three altitude means it is three height, and according to the three height there is three possible way to find the area of a triangle. Clear? So today we will solve example related to that. First example 10 that is given in a textbook. Find BC if the area of a triangle of ABC is 36 cm square and height AD is 3 cm. This figure is given. Area of triangle ABC is given 36 cm square. Height is given 3 cm and you need to find the base. So this is height and corresponding base is there. So we can directly use the equation, that is area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 height multiplied base. Now here our height is what? We can consider this as a AD and base is BC. That we need to find. Area of triangle is given 36, so we can write here 36. So 36 is equal to 1 by 2, height is given 3, we need to find BC. Take 2 and multiply, so 36 multiplied 2 is equal to 3 multiply BC. Now we need to find BC, so take 3 and divide. 36 multiplied 2 divided 3. So BC is equal to 24 cm. Clear? Now next one. In triangle PQR, PR is 8 cm. So this figure is given PR. This length is 8 cm. QR is 4 cm. So this is QR 4 cm. PR is 5 cm. So this is the length of, or you can say height of the triangle, that is 5 cm. Find area of a triangle. Now to find the area of this triangle PQR, what is the equation? 1 by 2 height into base. So here you can see this height is given. So for according to this height, this will be your base, because this is making right angle, means it is also making right angle with this line. So 5 cm will be height and 4 cm will be base. So area of a triangle, that is 1 by 2 height into base. Now here we are considering height PL and base QR. So PL is 5 cm, QR is 4 cm. So area of triangle is 10 cm square. Now next question is you need to find this length. Now if you can see, this is making a right angle with this line, this will be your height and this will be your base. So again we can write area of a triangle is 1 by 2 height into base, but this time we are considering this height QM. Whatever line make a right angle with opposite side, that can be considered as a height. So this line make a right angle with PR, so QM will be height and PR will be base. Okay, but here area of a triangle remains same, so that is 10 centimeters. So we can write 10 here, 10, 1 by 2. Now we need to find the QM and PR is given 8. Now take this 2 in a multiply, so 10 multiplied 2 is equal to QM multiply 8. Now to find the QM, take 8 in a divide. QM is equal to 10 multiplied 2 divided 8. 4, 5 by 2. So QM is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So you can find the first area and use that value to find another height. Clear? So this way you can solve this example. Let's start exercise 11.2. So here question number 1 is find the area of following parallelogram. Parallelogram are given. So to find the area of parallelogram, we needed two values, that is height and corresponding base. So first figure you can see this is a height 4 cm and corresponding base is given 7 cm. The line that make a perpendicular angle with the opposite side, that will be your height and that side will be base. So you can see this is the perpendicular distance. So height will be 4 and base will be 7 cm. So here we can write height is 4 cm and base is 7 cm. So area of parallelogram that is height multiply base. Height is 4, base is 7. 28 centimeters. Okay. Now next one. Here for this parallelogram, this is a line that make a perpendicular distance with the base. So height will be 3 and base will be 5 centimeters. So you can write area of parallelogram that is height multiply base. Now for this example, height is 3, base is 5. So it is 15 centimeters. Now for next figure, this is a line that make a perpendicular distance. So 3.5 will be height and base will be 2.5 centimeters. So again we can write the same equation. Area of parallelogram, that is height multiply base. 3.5 multiply 2.5. Now multiply 35 with 25. So it is 875. So 8.75 centimeters. So that will be your 8. These two examples that you need to solve in homework, same equation, apply for this two examples. Now next question, find the area of a triangle. So here first A and B that we will solve and C and D that you need to solve in homework. So here area of a triangle, so height is given, base is given. So here we can write height is 3 cm, base is 4 cm. So area of a triangle, that is 1 by 2 height into base. Now what is the height? 3 cm and base is 4. So it is 6 centimeters. Now for second, this will be your height and this will be your base. So height will be 3.2 centimeter because you can see this is making a perpendicular distance. And base is 5 centimeter. So area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 height into base 1 by 2, height is 3.2 and base is 1. And here you can cancel the common factor, 1.6. 8 centimeters square, that is area of this triangle. Now next question number 3, find the missing values in a table. So here first you can see the base, height and area of parallelogram is given. So for first example, base is 20 centimeter, height you need to find, and area of parallelogram is given 246. So here we can write the first one, that is area of parallelogram, that is given 246 centimeters square. Base is given 20 centimeter and we need to find height. So we can use equation area of parallelogram is equal to height multiply base. Now area is given to 46, height that we need to find, and base is given 20. Now to find height, take 20 and divide. So height will be 246 by 20. If you divide this, you will get 12.3 centimeter. So height is what? 12.3. Now for next one, base is not given, height is given 15 and area is given 154.5 centimeters. So we can find the area of parallelogram, that is given 154.5 centimeters square. Base is not given, that we need to find, and height is given 15 centimeters. So now we will use this equation. Area of parallelogram, that is height multiplied base. Now area of parallelogram is given 154.5. Height is given 15 and base that we need to find. So to find base, 154.5 divide 15. So that will give you 10.3 centimeters. So for this it is 10.3 centimeters. Now for C, height is given 8.4 centimeter and area is given 48.72 centimeters square. So area of parallelogram will be height into base. Area is given 48.72, height is given 8.4 and we need to find base. To find base, take 8.4 and divide. So that will be 5.8 centimeters. So for third base is 5. Fourth example D, that we need to solve it. Now question number 4, find the missing value. Here area of a triangle is given, base is given, height and triangle. From these three values you need to find one unknown value. So let's start with the first here. Area is given 87 centimeters square and base is given 15 centimeter. Height that we need to find. So here area of a triangle. What is the equation for an area of a triangle? That is 1 by 2 height multiplied base. Now area of a triangle is what? 87. 1 by 2. Height is not given and base is given 15. Now 2 that is in a divide become multiply. So here 87 multiplied 2, that is height multiplied 15. Now to find height, take 15 in a divide. If you solve this, you will get 11.6 centimeter. That is height of first triangle. Now for next one, base is not given, height is given and area is given. So here we can write area is 1256 centimeter square and height is given 31.4 centimeter. So again we can write the equation area is equal to 1 by 2 height into base. Now write the values 1256, that is area, 1 by 2 height is 31.4 and base that we need to find. 2 will be in a multiply and 31.4 will be in a divide. So if you solve this, you will get B is equal to 8.